Hello, it's Mark from the Forest School Show here. We've reached a bit of a milestone in the event. It's 100 days today until we'll be opening the doors and welcoming you to the first ever Forest School Show. We'd really like you to be there. Whether you're an experienced Forest School practitioner, a teacher, an early years professional, or you're just beginning your outdoor learning journey, this is the chance to discover fresh ideas, build new connections, and leave inspired. We've been working really hard behind the scenes, creating our biggest and most inspiring show. You'll find incredible exhibitors, expert speakers, hands-on demonstrators, the latest equipment and resources, and most importantly, an amazing community of people who are passionate about the outdoors and outdoor learning. We have so much to share with you at the show, from bushcraft and arts and crafts to well-being to performing arts. There are so many wonderful people involved and so much for you to do. You're going to be really busy at the Forest School Show day. When is the Forest School Show? Saturday the 26th and Sunday the 27th of September, 10 AM till 5 PM. Where is the Forest School Show? Walesby Forest. That's near Newark-on-Trent, Nottinghamshire. No matter what your age and ability, there will be lots to keep you busy at the Forest School Show. Can you believe we're just 100 days away from the Forest School Show? We are so excited. There's just one thing missing from the show. That's you. Please sign up, grab your tickets. Only so many available. When they've gone, they've gone. The Forest School Show is for everybody. Tickets available now at our ticket partner, Ticket Tailor. Just 100 days to the show. See you there.